Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Today I'm gonna make veggie scacciata. The last time it was potatoes, just potatoes, scacciata. This time is mixed veggie. It's a zucchini, a julienne zucchini. I put one potato, a carrot, and I put some salt, some garlic powder, and I let it rest for a little while. Just remember, I know that to you guys it comes up the short version of my recipes. So just remember, subscribe to my channel if you want to see the full recipe of at Nonna Maria 1433. I remember YouTube, okay? Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, rosemary, eggs, and flour. Okay, let's begin. Now I had some Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, some spices, and a little rosemary, and we mixed. Oh. Now, after I put all the zucchini, I'm saying like you guys, it's zucchini. Not E, I. More mixed cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino. Since I like it spicy. Where is it? Okay. Now the little one. Olive oil. And in the oven it goes. I have it at 420 for 15-20 minutes. Voila! And here it's ready. Here, crunchy, crunchy. And the bottom, gorgeous. Now let's cut it. And then we taste. Ooh, it looks so goody. Then when I want to reheat it I'll reheat it on the hair fryer. It comes out even crunchier. Let's cut it this way. Lengthwise. Ooh, God. It's so nice and thin, just the way I like it. E adesso che facciamo? Mangiamo e l'assaggiamo. You gotta taste it. Oh my God. It's so hot. Oh. Delicious. Just remember from my full recipe, or not just this one, any other recipe, YouTube, you upload the short and the long version. That means the full length of my recipe. So please subscribe to my channel at Nonna Maria 1433. And that's it for today. Mwah! Un bacione!